after Press Council of India Chairperson Justice Markandeya Kaju wrote to Maharashtra Governor asking for a pardon for Sanjay Dutt, political chorus has grown for a review of Supreme Court's sentence. On Thursday, Supreme Court had upheld the sentencing of film star Sanjay Dutt to 5-year imprisonment by a Tara court in the 1993 blast case, where leaders from the NCP and Samajwadi Party have echoed Kaju's demand for a pardon.
जस्टिस काजू की जो राय है सही राय है और संजय दत्त को महाराष्ट्र के राज्यपाल को चाहिए कि उनको माफी दे दी।
पार्टी भी से सहमत है। हमारी भी अपील है माननीय राष्ट्रपति जी से, माननीय राज्यपाल जी से कि विशेष श्रेणी में उनका केस कंसीडर करके 1.5 साल की सजा काटी चुके हैं, अब उनको माफी दी जाए। वो अपने अधिकारों का उपयोग करते हुए उनकी सजा को माफ कर दें।
बहुत से लोग कह रहे हैं, लेकिन प्योरली ये तो जुडिशरी का मैटर है, जुडिशरी को तय करना होगा। जुडिशरी तय इसमें कर सकती, वही कॉम्पिटेंट अथॉरिटी है, मेरा ये मानना है। वहाँ निश्चित रूप से बहुत लोगों की सहानुभूति है संजय दत्त, मेरी पर्सनल सहानुभूति भी संजय दत्त के साथ है।
Well, after the Supreme Court upheld the sentencing of Sanjay Dutt to 5-year imprisonment, Press Council Chief Markandeya Kaju wrote to the Maharashtra Governor seeking the actor's pardon. In a statement, Kaju sought relief for Dutt under Article 161 of the Constitution, saying that he had not been found guilty of having played a role in the 1993 blast and had suffered a lot already. But Special Public Prosecutor Ujjwal Nikam has hit out at Justice Kaju's appeal. All right, we have former Samajwadi Party leader Amar Singh now joining us on the phone line. Thank you, Mr. Singh, for joining us. Sir, do you support the Samajwadi Party's view that Sanjay Dutt deserves sympathy, he deserves pardon?
Sanjay Dutt
deserves sympathy and pardon, or perhaps a review of the sentence that came in yesterday from the Supreme Court?
I think more than Samajwadi Party, first of all, I've got nothing to do with Samajwadi Party now. I'm erstwhile Samajwadi Party leader. I have left Samajwadi Party and I have no intention to join that party ever again.
That's exactly how you were introduced, Mr. Amar Singh, as a former leader of Samajwadi Party. If you could share with us your views on what the Samajwadi Party's stand is on Sanjay Dutt's sentencing. Where do you stand on this?
I think more than Samajwadi Party, I give more credence to Justice Markandeya Kaju's statement. He is a very respected judge, known for his integrity and honesty. And he has also echoed the same voice as much before Samajwadi Party did that. And I think that Sanjay Dutt is son of an illustrious father and mother. They have done a lot for the nation. And his pedigree and his background is absolutely impeccable. And I would not have endorsed any voice of pardon in favor of Sanjay Dutt had he been convicted in charges of terrorism. He is absolutely exonerated so far as charges of terrorism is concerned, and even the latest Supreme Court judgment has not touched that cause at all. And unfortunately, general media news is the Mumbai bomb blast case, whereas they are showing the glimpses of that horrifying hideous act, and thereafter they are showing Sanjay Dutt's photograph as if they are coinciding the criminality of that gory act with the person of Sanjay Dutt. That is most unfortunate. As a matter of fact, that he is only charged with the criminality of possessing illegal weapon, and for that he has already been sentenced during the period of trial for 18 months.
Mr. Singh, how can politicians or political leaders decide, or even for that matter, Justice Kaju, who's right now the Press Council of India chairperson, whether 18 months punishment is enough? He's not been held guilty for his involvement in terror attacks directly, but he's been implicated for several other offences for which he's been given punishment that's been prescribed for those offences. Would you fight for other trials like that?
Please read the judgment carefully. So far as my knowledge goes, he is only convicted for possessing illegal weapon. That's all. And I was invited by Mr. Dilip Kumar for lunch, and Sanjay Dutt was also with me. And the Caspian started crying like a baby And he said he's an emotional child. During Bombay riots, there was no helpline of police and nobody was coming for our rescue.
All right.
We were feeling absolutely insecure. In emotional vulnerability, he committed that childish mistake.